Great day, everyone. Erskine Edwards, your community empowerment agent here. And I want to talk about retirement and the responsibilities of retirement and the laws that have been enacted over the years that directly affect our retirement plans. So in 1974, there was a law enacted, acronymed ERISA, which stands for the Employee Retirement Income Security Act. This shifted the responsibility of retirement options directly away from the companies and put it squarely in yours and my responsibility. Okay? So to fill this demand, the government began providing government qualified plans such as IRAs, 401ks, 403bs, TSAs, TSPs. They're all pretty much the same. They're tax deferred programs, policies, and they enforce penalties when they're excess before the age of 59 and a half. Okay? So what a lot of people don't know is if you leave your money in these policies past the age of 72 and a half, you can be imposed an excess tax, which is an excise tax, excuse me. And the excise tax legally gives the government the right to take half of your retirement uh, because you didn't take the money out like you were supposed to. All right, so that's something to keep in mind. So the term government qualified plans is fitting because these plans benefit the government most. The money's not accessible before the predetermined age because the money's not actually your money or my money. If you put the and IRS together into one word, it spells theirs. It's their money. They're using it for initiatives, whatever they have going on. I don't want to speculate. I'm not a conspiracy theorist. But the money is not yours. That's why you're not to access it, and you have to pay penalties, and you have to pay it back in a timely manner if you take money out. So why would you have to do that and it's your money? It's not your money, it's theirs. So I say this to inform. I love the way we live here in America. I have no problem paying taxes because we're afforded a lot of amenities and we're entitled to a way of life here that's afforded because of the taxes we pay. Now, the problem I have is when we're overtaxed. And that's what I want to spread knowledge to everybody I love and care about and who's willing to listen because I want to protect everybody from overtaxation. Okay? So there are options which are tax codes just like the 401k, the 403b, so forth and so on, which can be utilized and are utilized by the wealthy and the rich. And not just those people, the people who are informed about how money works and how you can make your money work for you so that even when you're sleeping, your money is increasing. There's 7702 subsection A, acronym DEFRA, which stands for Deficit Reduction Act, and it was created in 1984. There's 7702 subsection B, which is the long-term protection we're all going to need at some point in our lives. There's IRC tax code 162, which makes these amazing products tax deductible where applicable. Okay, so we'll have to discuss, so that I can cover more of what the qualifications are and to see if you qualify for something like that. There's 72E, acronym TEFRA, which is the Tax Equity and Fiscal Responsibility Act, created in 1982. There's IRC 101, subsection A, acronymed TAMRA, which is the Technical and Miscellaneous Revenue Act, created in 1988. If you learn and understand these tax codes, you will have an understanding of what the rich and wealthy do with their money with the help of a financial professional such as myself, of course. Okay? So to recap, I shared information about the ERISA law, which changed the game. It shifted the responsibility from the company to us. Okay? The creation of government qualified plans. Okay? And then there's tax codes that I shared that are potentially wealth preservation tax codes, and they could grow your money tax and penalty free. So if you need clarification about the accelerated banking concept that I just shared, or if you're interested in seeing if you can qualify for an accelerated banking account, reach out to me. Let's do a green sheet, which is a sheet that checks and sees what your qualifications are, and let's apply it and see if you qualify for one of these plans, and let's get you going on it. Let's get you protected from overtaxation and penalties. Erskine Edwards, your community empowerment agent. I hope some of this information was good for you and that you're able to build off of this and research and reach out to me if you have any questions. I hope you all have a blessed day. Thank you.